The program that we ran was actually in conjunction with Martin County West Public Schools. We ran a close program with them. What we did was we went out and got former graduates or students that are currently at Martin County West and enrolled them as interns at Easy Energy Systems. So I believe we had 13 interns that came on, and it was really neat because we really had the best and the brightest. It was typically going to be the kids that were the valedictorians, salutatorians. Really the top of the class was what we kind of got in there. And so a lot of the kids would work in a very similar position all the way through the summer. So like our metal fabrication interns, they were typically bending metal, welding things together, doing things like that for most of the summer. A couple of our students were able to do sales internships where they actually got to go along to ethanol production shows where we would have them out in front of customers, talking to customers, meeting our potential clients in the future. But then we also would have them doing things like research on different feedstocks, different country research. A lot of our interest comes from overseas. And when you go into a different market, you need to know what is going to be out there as far as ethanol mandates and government mandates. And so if we get a call tomorrow from Greece, we need to know what is their mandate on ethanol. What do they want? And so what we had the interns do a lot of was looking up and researching those types of government institutions and what they have out there for ethanol mandates or renewable fuel mandates.
I got involved in this aspect of renewable energy first and foremost being a farmer and growing corn and seeing the whole ethanol industry grow. I guess that's my first experience in renewable energy. Then looking for jobs post-college, Easy Energy Systems had an internship opening and I filled it and got the job. And being a mechanical engineering student seemed to be a great fit. Go make something that can help me in both ways. The ethanol system, or what we call the modular ethanol production system, is exactly what it is, or exactly what it says it is a ethanol system that's built in pods that we build in a factory and take advantage of all the manufacturing processes in an assembly line, and then we can ship to wherever the ethanol system is needed. Our pilot plant in Iowa is our showcase plant. That's where we show investors, show potential customers how the MAPS, the Modular Ethanol Production System, works and what it actually does. We've got a liquefaction, distillation, mole sieve, fermentation, all the piece parts of the MAPS set up down there so we can show people how it works. My part down there is recently I've learned how to run the plant, which it's an interesting process, not having any experience in the ethanol industry. You sit at your computer and you got everything right in front of you. You control pumps, motors, valves, everything. And it's been a pretty cool gig.
We were very happy with this. The funding was excellent for us. As far as growing our company, it was really a good thing. And as far as doing economic development in our area, we were able to employ 13 kids in high-quality jobs for the summer. Kids that may have been working in, quote, a hog barn or something, were suddenly able to work in a lab or to work doing metal fabrication or something that they wanted to do. And so we were really excited about being able to do that and offering them positions outside of just the agricultural realm, but also in manufacturing, sales, management. We were able to do a lot of things with that and kind of show the kids some of the opportunities that we have available coming up as our company grows. And so that was really a good thing for the kids and a good thing for our company as well, because that funding really enabled us to reach out to the community, offer a really good program, and also work closely with the school district on kind of determining what types of education and what types of educated students we're going to need as we grow our company.
At Easy Energy Systems, as an intern, I was a metal fabricator. I also did some welding for them. Another intern and we focused on building this molecular sieve, which is the thing that makes it the ethanol 200 proof. And we used anything from corn to wheat or anything that we can get. It's just to find like the sugars and the proteins that make it possible to make this 200 proof. So
a bunch of our interns got to meet the Secretary of Energy for the United States of America. And that's a pretty big deal. He's a guy that sits in with President Obama on a weekly basis, and so for the kids to say, yeah, I shook the hand of the Secretary of Energy, it's kind of a unique thing and a good experience for them too.
This internship is definitely going to help me in my future career because it gave me a look on what I want to do in the future. I plan on being a mechanical engineer. It'll be a tough process, but through this, it really gave me an idea on what I'm going to have to be doing in the future.
The lasting effects we're already starting to see. Nick Jansen, one of the interns that you interviewed earlier, he's actually with the company now as an engineer. And so once the internship program is done at the end of this month, we will actually be keeping him on as an engineer. A bunch of the other students are coming back again this summer. So that was really rewarding for me, and to see the kids getting to stay in their local community, getting to kind of brag a little bit about some of the unique things they got to do during the summer.